Welcome back to our channel, Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to exploring Europe like a pro. Are you planning a trip to Rome but short on time? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most out of your 3-day visit to the Eternal City. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems and the best places to eat and stay, we'll guide you through an unforgettable Roman adventure. Plus, make sure to visit our travel blog at eurotriphacks.com for more travel tips and hacks. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore Rome like never before. Day 1. Ancient Rome and the city center. Start your adventure with one of Rome's most iconic landmarks, the Colosseum. This ancient amphitheater, built in AD 80, is a testament to Roman engineering and grandeur. Walk through its grand arches and imagine the gladiator battles that once captivated 50,000 spectators. Don't miss the underground chambers where gladiators and animals were kept before contests. A guided tour can offer deeper insights into its history and significance. Next, stroll over to the Roman Forum, once the bustling heart of ancient Rome. Here, you'll walk among ruins of ancient government buildings, temples, and marketplaces. The Forum was the center of Roman public life for centuries, and you can almost hear the echoes of ancient debates and ceremonies. Key highlights include the Temple of Saturn, the Arch of Septimius Severus, and the House of the Vestal Virgins. Climb up to Palatine Hill for stunning views of the city and more ancient ruins. According to Roman mythology, this is where Romulus and Remus were found by the she-wolf that raised them. Explore the remains of imperial palaces and lush gardens, and enjoy panoramic views of the Forum and the Circus Maximus. Afterward, head towards Piazza Venezia and the impressive Altare della Patria, also known as the Victor Emmanuel II Monument. This colossal structure commemorates the first king of unified Italy and offers a spectacular view of Rome from its rooftop terrace. For lunch, take a break at one of the many cafes along Via del Corso. This bustling street is perfect for people watching, while you enjoy a classic Roman dish, such as carbonara or cacio e pepe. End your day with a visit to the Trevi fountain, one of the most famous fountains in the world. Throw a coin over your left shoulder into the fountain to ensure your return to Rome, and enjoy the intricate sculptures and soothing sounds of the cascading water. Day 2. Vatican City and Trastevere. Day 2 begins with a visit to Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state. Start at St. Peter's Basilica, a Renaissance masterpiece, with its iconic dome designed by Michelangelo. Inside, marvel at the Pietà, also by Michelangelo, and the stunning altar canopy by Bernini. Climb to the top of the dome for breathtaking views of St. Peter's Square and the city beyond. Next, explore the Vatican Museums, home to one of the most impressive art collections in the world. Highlights include the Raphael rooms and, of course, the Sistine Chapel. Here, you can gaze upon Michelangelo's breathtaking ceiling frescoes, including the famous Creation of Adam. Remember to book your tickets in advance to skip the long lines. After leaving Vatican City, head to Castel Sant'Angelo. Originally built as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian, this fortress has served many purposes throughout history, including as a papal residence and prison. The castle offers fascinating exhibitions and stunning views of the Tiber River in the Vatican. For lunch, cross the Ponte Sant'Angelo and wander through the charming streets of the historic center. Enjoy a delicious Italian meal at a local trattoria before heading to the lively neighborhood of Trastevere. Trastevere is known for its narrow cobblestone streets, vibrant atmosphere, and fantastic dining options. Spend the afternoon exploring its many shops, cafes, and churches. Don't miss the beautiful Basilica of Santa Maria in Trastevere, one of Rome's oldest churches with stunning mosaics. In the evening, Trastevere comes alive with street performers and bustling trattorias. Choose a cozy spot for dinner and enjoy authentic Roman dishes like saltimbocca or Roman-style artichokes. After dinner, take a leisurely stroll through the neighborhood's picturesque streets and soak up the lively ambiance. Day 3. Art, architecture, and culinary delights. Begin your final day at Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most beautiful squares. Admire the stunning Baroque architecture and the famous Fountain of the Four Rivers by Bernini. The square is surrounded by cafes and gelaterias, perfect for a morning coffee or gelato. Next, head to the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient Roman engineering. Originally built as a temple to all the gods, it now serves as a church. The Pantheon's massive dome, with its central oculus, is an architectural masterpiece. Take a moment to appreciate the symmetry and the play of light inside this awe-inspiring building. After visiting the Pantheon, stroll over to Campo de' Fiori, a lively market square. In the mornings, the square is bustling with vendors selling fresh produce, flowers, and local delicacies. It's a great place to pick up some picnic supplies or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Make your way to Piazza di Spagna and the iconic Spanish Steps. Climb to the top for a great view of the square and the surrounding area. Nearby, you'll find the luxury shopping street, Via Condotti, where you can window shop or indulge in some high-end retail therapy. In the afternoon, head to Villa Borghese, Rome's most famous park. Rent a bike or take a leisurely walk through the beautiful gardens. Visit the Galleria Borghese, located within the park, to see an impressive collection of Renaissance and Baroque art, including works by Caravaggio, Bernini, and Raphael. Be sure to reserve your tickets in advance, as entry is limited. For your final evening, indulge in a traditional Roman dinner at a local trattoria. Try classic dishes like spaghetti alla carbonara, ossobuco, or supli. Pair your meal with a fine Italian wine and toast to an unforgettable Roman adventure. To wrap up our guide, let's go over some frequently asked questions about visiting Rome. 1. What is the best time to visit Rome? The best time to visit Rome is during the spring, April to June, and fall, September to October, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. Summers can be hot and crowded, while winters are cooler but still enjoyable, with fewer tourists. 2. Do I need to speak Italian to visit Rome? No, you don't need to speak Italian to visit Rome. While knowing some basic Italian phrases can be helpful and appreciated, many Romans, especially in tourist areas, speak English. Most hotels, restaurants, and attractions have English-speaking staff. Plus, with smartphone translation apps, navigating the city is easier than ever. However, learning a few key phrases like please, thank you, and hello can enhance your experience and show respect to the locals. 3. What is the best way to get around Rome? Rome has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trams, and the metro. Walking is also a great way to explore the city, especially in the historic center. For longer distances, the metro is convenient, while buses and trams can help you reach more specific destinations. 4. Is Rome expensive? Rome can be pricey, especially in tourist-heavy areas. However, there are budget-friendly options for dining and accommodation. Look for trattorias and pizzerias away from major tourist spots, and consider staying in a budget hotel or Airbnb. 5. How safe is Rome for tourists? Rome is generally safe for tourists, but it's important to be aware of your surroundings. Pickpocketing can be an issue in crowded areas, so keep an eye on your belongings. Stick to well-lit, populated areas at night, and use common sense to stay safe. We hope you enjoyed this 3-day guide to discovering Rome. From ancient ruins to vibrant neighborhoods, Rome has something for everyone. For more travel tips and hacks, visit our blog at eurotriphacks.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.